Hi, I'm Ray. This is my vegetable garden, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY projects. Today I'm going to show you what we can sow in October. We've got our garlic, so we're going to make some space and we're going to get our garlic in the ground, and we'll show you what else we can sow during the month of October. So let's go. So the days now are noticeably shorter and the light is a lot less, but there's still some things we can get into the ground, and especially if we have a polytunnel, there's stuff that we can put under grass in a greenhouse or polytunnel. So this is the garlic that we grew last year. As we can see, the bulbs patterned up, and we bought these originally from the Isle of Wight garlic farm, because as we're on the south coast, it's only just across the water, so it's not exactly that far away. So all we have to do for these is to remove the outer skin, and we've got our cloves. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can remove all these leaf bits. So we've got 9 bulbs that we can plant in the beds for this year. So quite pleased with that. You can of course buy them in a packet, and these are Germador, and these are £2 a packet. So one of my ways I do this is to use my bulb planter, and we dig it down, take our bulb, plant it, pointy bit up in the hole, and we cover it up. (10, 15 centimeters between each other. Job done. Pointy bit up in the hole. Job done. So many people are closing down their allotments and covering up their plots with manures and composts, and covering them with sheets or membranes. But here we're going to continue all the way through, and we've got a few seeds that we can do in October. So let me show you what we can plant outside at the moment. We can do some peas. and these are really Douce Provence. These are a classic French winter hardy variety and can be autumn sown, one of the sweetest available. And also broad beans. Broad beans can be planted over winter, and we've got two varieties here, and this is the Sutton and this is a dwarf broad bean, and these grow approximately 16 inches tall. And we've got Barnyard's Exhibition, and this is a popular long pod variety, one of the most reliable, producing well formed pods that contain 6 to 8 beans, delicious flavour and texture per pod. So both of these can go in the ground during October. We can also still do some lettuces, and we've got all year round lettuce. These can still be done, and lettuce mixed salad leaves. These can be still sown in October. And also we've got Arctic King, although the germination isn't that great, we may have a couple. Also radish, always do radish. This can still be done in a greenhouse or in a polytunnel, and will grow within 4 weeks, and we can still harvest some of that. And we've got some flowers. We can plant flowers during October, and we've got larkspur, hardy annual, and poppies. These are falling in love. These can be sown March to May and August to October, along with cornflower and larkspur. Both of these can be sown direct into the ground outdoors during October time. Another favourite on the flower side is the sweet peas. These can be sown from October, November, December and January, and these are great for arches and trellises, a bliss, and for cutting, and the smells of these are amazing. So we can get an early head start with sweet peas in October, and these will be going in to the large cell trays, and we get some planted now. So these are the sweet peas we're doing, and these are royal mixed, and as we can see they're quite big, so we're just putting 2 to 3 in each cell tray. And we will cover these up, and we'll put these into the polytunnel and let them grow on. There we go. Just cover them up, and then we look forward to a lovely sweet peas in the spring. Not forgetting the label, of course. And also we can do cauliflower And this is all year round. In October, one of the last months, we can get some cauliflowers in now. So we're going to stick some of this in a tray and we're going to look forward to some cauliflowers. So one last thing we can plant is our onion sets. And we've got sunshoe onions, and these can go in the ground now. So we're just going to finish this off by saying thank you very much, and let me know what you're growing. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Put these in the ground and we're going to go home for our leek and potato soup. Thank you very much. Cheers.